Hey guys, welcome back. The second unboxing items for today. Um, this one is better late than never. It's been around for quite a while. This one's called DJI Osmo Pocket, my very first one. So I'm very excited to open it with this thing. Anyway, let's begin. I bought this at Best Buy with the price of $299.99, so it was on sale. The original price was a lot higher, so during that time, I didn't want to buy anything like this. But anyway, let's open it up. Yeah. Always away from you, not toward you, because of the pointy thing. It can cut you. Alright, so when you open up items and you're using sharp objects, kids, always away from your finger or away from your body. Safety first. Alright, you know what this is made for? That's what that's made for. And let's open this up. Oh, look at that. It smells good. Alright, so first box. Wow. Amazing. Second item. Wow. It looks like this is the item. Well, that's two. And that's it. Oh, the manual. My friend. These are my friends. Manual. Say hello to manual. So it looks like it came two. So if you know all the languages, you can read them all. We'll give you all the explanations. Alright, so there's two on the phone. And let's put this away over there. Okay, so that's what it looks like, guys. And here it comes. Oh, it's hanging. It's a boy! Just kidding. Alright, so look at that. Wow, so tiny. And I assume this is the charger. Okay. Yep. This is the power cord. The safety harness. Oh, what is this stuff here? Oh, okay. What are these? Oh, good thing I didn't buy this. I thought it was... Oh man. Oh no, wait. I'm wrong. I thought it was for the speaker, but it's not. This connects to the phones, different type of phones, like Samsung, and this one is for the Apple. And there's the cord, charging cord. So there's that. And this is the boy. Look at that. Wow, so tiny. Now I know why these people are amazed. Because look, I have small hands, but this thing is really small. Look at that. Oh wow. And it's pretty heavy. Smells so good. Oh wow, look at that. Okay. So these things are the one that attaches to here. And I've seen it, so it looks like that. You see, this little cover slides out, and this thing slides in. He has some metal connectivity right there with those shiny things. You slide it in, and then you can put your phone here so you can have a bigger screen. Wow, okay, that's pretty cool. Okay. Oh, okay. Wow, look at that. See that? And there's a record button, and I guess the other button is for manual. And this is what it looks like. Let's peel this little plastic. Whoa. Look at that. And it has, when using for the first time, follow the steps in the DJI Memo app. Oh, DJI Memo app. I gotta download the DJI Memo app. Okay. Let me put this back so I don't forget. Because I don't want to forget. And yeah, so that's what it looks like, guys. Look at that. Is it blurry? Yeah, there it is. My director is working hard, boy. It looks good, right? So that's what it looks like. And oh, I want to put this in. How do I put this in? Where did I put it in? Okay. You're gonna have to read the manual, guys. And for now, this is just a short unboxing. So please like, share, and subscribe. And like my hat. And let's enjoy. In the next video, I'm gonna show you how this thing performs. Alright, thank you.